stuff. Here a rumbly-tumbly. Rumbly-tumbly. Sally and Nick were doing a puzzle when Sally heard a funny sound.
What's that rumbly noise?
She asked, and Nick replied,
It's my tummy rumbling. I'm hungry.
Cat didn't know why tummies rumble when we're hungry.
But I do know someone who does. Dr. Giggles,
said Cat, and Nick asked,
Can we go visit him?
Cat replied,
Your mother will not mind at all if you do.
Nick's mum didn't mind if Nick and Sally went to visit Dr. Giggles, and she promised them a snack when they got home.
We can go! We can go!
I know! To the thingamajigger!
Oh no, that thingamajigger's not ready to go. You can help us put it together. It's easy. Tap and match each shape. Tap the shape that matches the yellow shape. That's it. Tap the shape that matches the yellow shape. You got it. Great. Which shape fits in that place? You got it. Great. Which shape fits in that place? You still have some work to do. Pick another one. Wow, you're good. Great work. Now that thingamajigger's ready to go.
Here we go, on an adventure.
Go, on an adventure. We're flying with the cat in a hat today.
We'll ask Dr. Giggles why all girls and boys have tummies that make a loud rumbly noise.
When they met Dr. Giggles, Nick asked why tummies rumble. Dr. Giggles answered,
Why don't you go see for yourselves?
You mean go inside someone's tummy?
asked Sally.
When you want to explore inside bodies like you, whistle real loud for Thing 1 and Thing 2. To the thingamajigger!
said Cat. With a press of the shrinkamadoodle, they got so small they fit on a cracker. Then Thing 1 swallowed them down. Dr. Giggles watched on the scanner majammer as Thing 1 gulped down some delicious berries. Dr. Giggles told them how tummies are full of strong juices that make chewed-up food even smaller. As the berries splashed down into the stomach, Sally asked,
Is that red blob a strawberry?
And Cat answered,
Once food is chewed up, well, my goodness, it's hard to tell.
Can you make a match? Try to match the food and the chewed-up food. Tap 2 squares to flip them over. Got it. That's not a match. Nice try. Nice try. Well done. Nice try. Got it. Got it. Good work. You matched them all.
But what makes that rumbly sound?
asked Sally. Dr. Giggles said,
Tummies roll food around until it's small enough for our bodies to use. It happens all the time. Only when your tummy's empty, it sounds a lot louder.
Before the stomach could turn the thingamajigger into a snack, Thing 1 let out a great big... and out they flew.
Burps are a way for tummies to let out trapped air,
said Cat.
Thanks for telling us all about tummies, Dr. Giggles,
said Sally.
Anytime,
said Dr. Giggles. Cat knows a song all about tummies, but he needs help filling in a few words. Listen.
Tummies rumble in you, making food stew.
Can you help fill in the missing words? What color makes a match? You got it. Great. What color makes a match? That's it. Great. What color makes a match? That's it. Great job. Which color goes in that place? Wow, you're good. You got them all. Nice work.
Tummies rumble and tumble as they work for you. Making food smaller is the job that they do.
Back at the treehouse with their tummies all rumbling, they were happy to see that Nick's mum left them a cake, their favorite.
Chewy, chocolate, chunky chunk chip.
Be a sneezy rider. Sneezy riders.
Achoo! Achoo!
Poor Nick just couldn't stop sneezing, and Sally wondered if Cat could help. Cat said,
I can't, but I know a man who can. Cluey Louie. He'll know how to stop Nick's sneezes.
Can we go?
Cat replied,
Your mother will not mind at all if you do.
When Sally's mother said it was okay to go, they shouted,
We can go! We can go!
I know! To the thingamajigger!
Oh no, that thingamajigger's not ready to go. Tap the shape that matches the yellow shape. You got it. Great. Tap the shape that matches the yellow shape. You got it. Great. Now
still
tap
have
the
some
shape
work
that
to do.
matches. Pick another one. You got it. Great. Tap
Just
the
a
shape
bit more
that
to
matches
do.
the yellow shape. Pick another. That's it. Great job. You still have some work to do. Now tap the shape that matches. You got it. Great. You still have some work to do. Tap the shape that matches the yellow shape. That's it. Great job. Great work. Now that thingamajigger's ready to go.
Here we go on an adventure. We'll meet Cluey Louie as surely he knows how to stop sneezes that tickle your nose.
Here we go on an adventure. Go!
That must be Cluey Louie.
Inside the house, Cat told Cluey Louie and Bobby the Bloodhound that Nick couldn't stop sneezing, and Cluey Louie said,
I'm sneezing too.
Then Cluey Louie explained,
Every sneeze starts with a tickle in the nose. The nose sends a message to the sneeze center in the brain. Then, the sneeze center sends out messages to the chest, throat, and nose. The chest, throat, and nose all work together to blast air out of the nose.
But what makes your nose tickle?
asked Nick. Louie didn't know.
If only I could see what's happening in my nose.
He said, and Cat replied,
Well, we can do that. The thingamajigger can go anywhere.
and up the nose they went.
There must be some itchy stuff here.
Said Sally, as Cluey Louie sniffled.
I see it!
Said Nick. Can you help get the itchy stuff? Use the arrow pad to move the red circle over the itchy stuff. Then press the green button to get it. Make sure you get them all. You're good at this. Give it another try. You got it. Give it another try. You got it. Keep going. Good work. Keep going. Good work. You did it.
Achoo!
Cluey Louie sneezed the thingamajigger right out of his nose. Back at the house, Nick and Sally showed Louie a mysterious thing they found inside his nose. Sally used the Snap-O-Rama camera to learn more.
Dog's hair.
Said the camera. Then Louie remembered. He only started sneezing when Bobby the Bloodhound came to visit.
But we don't have any dogs back at my house. What makes me sneeze?
Asked Nick. Louie replied,
Different things make different people sneeze. You haven't sneezed once since you've been here at Muddy Feet Waterhole.
So it must be something we have at home.
said Sally. They all agreed, and home they went to find out. Cat knows a poem about sneezes, but he needs help filling in a few words. Listen.
It starts when some stuff blows into your nose and grows. To get rid of this itch with the greatest have a big
Sneeze!
Can you help fill in the missing words? It's easy. Tap the blue circles and match the colors to fill in the missing words. Tap the color that matches. Wow, you're good. Tap the color that matches. That's it. Great job. What color makes a match? You got it. Great. Tap the color that matches. Wow, you're good. You got them all. Nice work.
It starts when some stuff blows into your nose. Then it sticks there till an itch grows and grows. To get rid of this itch with the greatest of ease, all you need do is have a big
Sneeze!
Achoo!
Once they got home, it didn't take long for Nick to sneeze again. But this time was different, thanks to the Snap-O-Rama. Can you use the Snap-O-Rama camera To find what's making Nick sneeze, use the arrow pad to move the red circle over the itchy stuff. Then press the green button to learn more.
Flower pollen.
Good work. You found what was making Nick sneeze.
What's that?
Nick asked, and Kat explained.
It's special dust from inside those flowers. But you don't need to stop.
Achoo!
'Cause sneezing's such fun and quite useful, too.